Hey guys, I'm Kafri. This channel is about hula hooping, and these are my intentions to perform the palm spin into the backwards escalator with this low ceiling. So I think it's gonna be better if I show you the tutorial outside. Let's go. Okay, so here we go. In the beginning, let's repeat the move. So palm twist into backwards escalator. There are two ways to perform these tricks, but before we begin, make sure that you are comfortable about the palm twist and about the backwards escalator. If you need some additional explanation, a tutorial, you can find the links in the description on my channel. They are available, both of them. Okay, so there are two ways. One will be more in control of the hoop and the other will be between the contact, trust with your hoop, okay? So let's begin with the first one, when after the palm twist, you actually catch the hoop back again, enter the backwards escalator by touching the back of your neck with your hoop and letting it drop down, okay? So palm twist, catch, backwards escalator, hop, okay? Let's do it more fluid, hop. Okay, so as you can see, the catch when I'm explaining it separately is like here, but actually when you perform the trick, you want to already direct the hoop into the backwards escalator, so the catch is actually somewhere in here and you enter the move directly. Okay, let's have a look from a different angle. Hop, hop. And now, the second way will be by contact way to enter the backwards escalator without the actual grip of your hoop, but by attaching it with the extended fingers. So after performing the palm twist, you simply extend the fingers towards the sky and try to attach your hoop to enter the move. Let's have a look. Hop. Okay, so here and here. Let's have a look from different angle. Hop. Okay, so you can stay in the palm twist for a while and then extend the fingers, or straight ahead from the beginning enter this movement to twist the hoop around your hand and enter the backwards escalator. Okay, so palm twist and enter the backwards escalator. Okay, I really hope it explains something. Let me show it to you again. Hop, and the other way with the grip. And if you have additional questions, don't hesitate to leave them in the comments. Subscribe to the channel to stay up for the next tutorials that are coming, and of course try the second hand as well. So here, hop. I was trying not to hit the mic. Okay, so I see you in the next tutorial and enjoy this one.